Hey guys, Life of Mr. E here. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making foam ornaments for our tree. Check it out. We have these right here that we'll be making for you guys today. Let's get right into it. It is the first day of December and we'll be waiting for Christmas. So today we'll be making foam ornaments for our tree right behind us. I went to the store to pick these up and they're $1. This one is it's like an elf. We say it's all snowed over. Yeah, we're gonna start building them. So, but first we're gonna start off with the elf right here. So, magic trick. Tear it off one by one thing. So, okay. Hey guys, so right now we have our little elves. We have to peel the little pieces out. We have little elves. We have little strings. Tie them right here. We have our little, their faces, their hats, their other things. They got like little buckles. So let's start. The instructions. Number 1, using photo as guide, peel and stick pieces together. We're gonna start with this one. Peel our little green thing. Number 2, thread cord through provided hole, knotting ends to secure. Put it through. Now I need to tie it up here in the corner. Alright, so we're gonna have the truck. Here it's just tear it open. So we're gonna pull everything out, just like so. So we're gonna have to, it's the same as all the other instructions. So let's get it. Tree. So open our little bag, reach in for a little tree. So got a little tree. Where's our truck? Oh, there's our truck. So here's our truck. Need to peel the tree. pain to get the little snowflakes off because they're each little thing, but it starts to get easier. We're gonna put them all around. Put it up. Right there. So now we need our window. Grab our window. Like so. Put it right there. Grab the snow. Here we go. Our truck, we have our tree with the ornaments on them, the wheels, the rims, snowflakes, snow, our headlights, and our bumper. Oh, I forgot our bumper. Right there. So attach the little bumpers right here, the headlight, the window with the snow. We are done. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Today we made these 2 ornaments right here. We're going to be putting them on a tree to see how they look. So, just put them right there. We should put our house. Truck. And put him right here. There we go. So, they look really nice in the tree. We did a really good job. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below what you thought of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.